Chrissy Thomas. I am the owner of About Face Skincare. I just wanted to get on here and tell you about our new at-home baby. This is our massage roller. It's an ice massage roller. Comes in a nice little case like this. When you open it up, the little device looks like this. So this is honestly just a nice little cold roller. You can store it in the fridge or the freezer to get it good and cold. It is wonderful if you are having some facial puffiness when you wake up. Just take that out and roll it over the skin. Great for anti-aging, just increase the circulation in the skin. Good for headaches if you are a migraine sufferer. People love these for headaches. Also for muscle strains, things like that. If you're having a muscle that's giving you a hard time, these stay really cold and it just moves that cold around, so it gives you some extra relief. Sunburns, hope you're wearing your sunscreen, but if you do get a sunburn, this is awesome for taking that sting away. That's how we use them on a daily basis, but in the office we do treatments that it feels nice to have a little bit of cooling. So if we're doing our microneedling or laser services, chemical peels, things like that that create some inflammation and swelling, some redness, this is very nice for rolling over that area to decrease those side effects. And I love these whenever you have your injectable treatments and we want to mitigate the bruising and we send you home with some ice packs. This little guy stays nice and cold. So say we do your lips, you can just rub it over your lips for a little while, stick it back in the freezer, it's ready to go again. Really enjoyed this. This has been a game changer for us. I'm going to switch this over to Kelly and let her tell you a little bit about storing your device and cleansing and using it.
Now that you have one of the About Face Skincare ice massage rollers, what do you do next? First, you're going to take it out of the case and cleanse with warm soapy water or alcohol before you use it for the first time. Then you'll simply place it back into the case and store it into the fridge or the freezer until it's cold enough to use. Once chilled, it's ready to use. One of the reasons that we brought this tool into our practice was so that you would have something to use at home after you've had an invasive procedure like microneedling or a laser or a chemical peel. Even if you've just had dermaplaning or a diamond glow and you're feeling a little bit tight and would like to draw a little bit of heat out of your skin and just have some comfort at home, you're just gonna pull this out and roll directly over the treated area, whether that's your face or your neck or your décolleté. If you have a burn or a bug bite, you can roll directly over that. A bruise or any achy pains, this will help to relieve that as well. It's such a versatile tool. It's super easy to use. We love it, and we hope that you do too.